Hey, it's Mikey Mike. Hey, total knee replacement, bilateral, that's 2 knees, trying the stairs, little stair transition here. So I'm using my walker. This is about 3rd time going up and down the stairs. So I saw somebody on the internet use a walker, and I saw them collapse it. I didn't even know that collapsed. So for those of you out there that don't know your walker collapses like that, I didn't know. So first time I used my cane, this time I'm using the walker. Get all the things that can trip you up out of the way. And this is bilateral, so I got both knees going here. So use the handrails as best you can. Use the walker kind of as a cane, and just take your time. Do it nice and slow. Lead with your, I don't know if you have a good or a bad leg, but lead with your good leg, and then on the way back down, down with your bad leg. And just take your sweet old time getting up there. You can kind of see the side angle here, just taking it easy. Making the transition. I was going up to take a shower, and then I just turned around, and after the shower I recorded the way down, and we'll see how that goes. Or you can see how someone died on the stairs, one of the two. But since I'm doing this video, it seemed like it turned out okay. So we're on the way back down. A little more tricky on the way down, a little scary for me. For those of you, I've seen some people doing stairs, and man, you guys are doing great. But a little more tricky for me. So just one step at a time. Trying to keep my feet straight. It's just not working out quite well. Stairs aren't super wide at the top, and just trying to make that transition. So the first time I went up with my cane, but when I got to the top of the stairs, I realized that I couldn't go anywhere because I needed the walker. So now I'm using the walker to get up, and then I can take a shower. It's my second shower. Oh, it was amazing. Yeah, I got a second shower. It was a lot of work, though. Oh, my gosh. Showers are tough. This is Mikey Mike. Hey, leave some videos and some comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. This is definitely a long-term event here. It's not a quick process to heal. So every day gets a little better, but it doesn't seem like it is, but it is. So I had good range of motion today. So that was a good thing. And keep making progress. All right. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll talk to you soon. Pop that walker back out and get on your way. All right, man. Peace.